Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, January 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, in the pound yen, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is all one, two, three. I don't even see any reason to think the wave three is over. I mean, we did have a big impulsive move down, but it never broke any structure. We are technically still in a wave three, in my opinion, until we get a structure break, and there's always a possibility that it just keeps on going up. So we definitely need to remember that as we're looking at the sort of time frames, because the sort of time frames do kind of lead us to believe that it may end up going back down. So let's head it down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this is what I'm talking about right here. We did have a very impulsive move down, but it never broke any structure, never gave us any reason at all to believe that the uptrend was actually over. Now, it could possibly make a lower high and go down, and this would end up being an A, this would end up being a wave B, and this would end up being a wave C. And if it does do that, we definitely should be able to recognize that on shorter time frames. Going down to the daily, on the daily time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like impulsive down, wave A. It looks like one, two, three waves up, wave B. Now, we're not at a Fibonacci level. We're definitely not breaking any structure. Really, I don't think this trend is over. I think we're going to pop up at least one more time, and if it just keeps on trending, we should be looking for longs right now anyways until we have proof that the wave B is over, if it even is a wave B. So if it just keeps on trending up, that definitely should not create any losses for us. If anything, we should make more money if it just continues the uptrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, like I said, 4 hour time frame, we don't have a Fibonacci bounce. We don't have any break of structure. We really don't have any significant lower high. Really, there's no reason at all to think that this uptrend is over. I would think that it would pop up again. If it respects the 78%, then goes down, then breaks structure, then that is what's going to convert me from being a buyer primarily to being a seller primarily. But until I see this picture right here, I am definitely looking for buys at the end of pullbacks. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, it does look pretty corrective to me. Looks like one big corrective move. So if it makes a big impulsive engulfing move to the upside, and if it breaks structure on like the 1 hour, 30-minute time frame, I would actually take it as a long. I would probably only ride it up to around the 78% because there's a good chance, even if it is not going to go down and break this structure like this, like I was showing on the 4 hour, there's a good chance that they would at least make a pullback. And then if it makes a recognizable correction, another higher low, then it would be another entry to go long. If it doesn't do that and it goes down and breaks structure, that's what's going to turn me into a seller. So either way, like I said, we should be able to recognize if we pay attention to price, what we should be doing and what direction we should primarily be trading in. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.